something is leaking.
Yeah. So I'm just finding the heat shield. It's been squashed between this gasket and the supercharger. That's the problem. A while back, the S4 developed this nasty coolant leak at the front of an engine, and I wasn't sure where the coolant was coming from. So every time I would drive the car, as soon as it gets hot or at some point during the driving, I would just see a lot of steam coming out of an engine bay, and I knew that that coolant is actually leaking now. Miraculously, then it would stop all of a sudden. So I wasn't sure exactly what was happening, and it did that for a while. Unfortunately, that leak or that coolant affected some of the components, such as the power steering pump, the alternator, and the aircon pump. Um, Long story short, I decided to park the car and decide to investigate to find out exactly what is going on. So obviously, first off, I had to remove the supercharger so that I can expose all the components under there to see exactly where this coolant is coming from. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through all my investigations and finding out exactly what the problem is. It wasn't easy because it was my first time taking off the supercharger and finding out what's going on under there. There are a lot of plugs, there are a lot of components, there are a lot of vacuum lines that come from the supercharger, and I had to mark each and every one of them to make sure that I don't miss any. Today we're going to finish the work that we started last week Saturday on the Audi S4. So we investigated and found that the leak is actually from the thermostat seal itself, and we went on and bought a brand new part. And there you have it. The thermostat has been replaced on the Audi S4. It was a lot of work, but eventually it was done. It turns out it was the only culprit in the coolant leak situation. I assure you, everything went back to the car 100% and the system was bled correctly so that I don't have any air bubbles in the system. I know the video looks like it's incomplete, but I did everything correctly and the car is driving 100%. And with all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you in the next one.